चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
All right, viewers, we're getting in now. Big breaking news. All the top leaders and the MPs who are likely to get a call for the cabinet have been summoned by the Prime Minister at his residence. Shah and Nadda are also present along with other top leaders of the NDA. So all eyes are on the grand oath-taking ceremony. We're bringing you visuals of the hectic movements outside the Prime Minister's residence at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. We're joined by my reporter Riyanka, who's right outside the Prime Minister's residence. Riyanka, very good morning to you. Who all have arrived so far? We know that already Nadda, Amit Shah and Rajnath Singh are at the Prime Minister's residence along with S. Jaishankar and Nirmala Sitharaman as well. But who are the other leaders from the NDA especially who are there at the Prime Minister's residence?
See, just now we saw Uttarakhand Governor Gurmeet Singh arriving at the 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. Other than that, we have several other leaders who have just arrived at the Prime Minister's residence. We have Manohar Lal Khattar, who was the former Haryana Chief Minister. On the other hand, we have seen Hardeep Singh Puri arriving. There is also, arrival of other leaders, including Chirag Paswan, Nirmala Sitharaman, Rajnath Singh, JP Nadda, Amit Shah. All the top leaders have already arrived at the Prime Minister's residence. In fact, Kiran Rijiju has also arrived at the Prime Minister's residence. On the other hand, we have Ravneet Bittu also being present here at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. On the other hand, Annapurna Devi, Pankaj Chaudhary, B.L. Verma and Pankaj Chaudhary, Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Giriraj Singh, all the big leaders, they are all present inside the 7 Lok Kalyan Marg for this very particular meeting with Narendra Modi ahead of the oath-taking ceremony today. And shortly from now, we will have the final names of those leaders who will be the part of the Modi 3.0 cabinet.
Right, stay with me, Riyanka. I have a list of all the people who've in fact got a call from the top leadership of the NDA. Rajnath Singh, Nitin Gadkari, Jyotiraditya Scindia, Piyush Goyal, Raksha Kharse, Jitendra Singh, Rao Indrajit Singh, Manohar Lal Khattar, Mansukh Mandavia, Ashwini Vaishnav, Shantanu Thakur, Pratap Rao Jadhav, Ramnath Thakur, Lallan Singh, Mohan Naidu, P. Chandrasekhar Pemasani, Chirag Paswan, Jitan Ram Manjhi, Jayant Chaudhary, Anupriya Patel and H.D. Kumaraswamy have already received calls and they are most likely to be in the Union Council of Ministers. It will be decided whether they will be in the cabinet or will get a Minister of State portfolio or in the Council of Ministers. But these are the leaders who've already received the calls. We've already confirmed to you that Mohan Naidu has received a cabinet call, as have Ramnath Thakur from the JDU. Now back to you, Riyanka. These are some of the names that have received the calls, and a lot of them have already confirmed to us. Ram Mohan Naidu of the TDP, Ramnath Thakur of the JDU gave a confirmation to Republic that they have received calls. Rest of them, the Raisina ministers who already hold the portfolio, are right now at Prime Minister's residence. The meeting of Amit Shah and JP Nadda has concluded. They are both at the Prime Minister's residence as of now. But have you been able to speak any of the leaders so far, or what's really the buzz outside the Prime Minister's house?